Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. If you're a law graduate from overseas and you're thinking about becoming a lawyer here in Australia, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you step by step through what you need to do to get admitted as a lawyer in Australia. Let's get started. Get your law degree assessed so it can be recognized in Australia. For that you have steps as follows. Step 1. Contact the admissions authority in the state or territory where you want to practice. Every state has its own admissions board, like 1. The Victorian Legal Admissions Board, for Victoria. 2. The Legal Profession Admission Board, for New South Wales. They'll review your qualifications and tell you whether your law degree is considered equivalent to an Australian law degree. Tip for the day is please Google Legal Admissions Board plus state you want to apply in your state. Next, you must apply for an assessment of your qualifications. Submit documents as follows. 1. Your academic transcripts. 2. Proof of your law degree. 3. Details transcript of subjects you studied. The board will look at whether your degree covers core areas of Australian law, like contracts, torts, constitutional law, property, and criminal law. Once the admission board has completed initial assessment, you will receive a letter from them. If your degree doesn't cover all core subjects, you'll probably need to complete some extra subjects called academic requirements. These are usually offered by Australian universities as individual units or a graduate diploma in Australian law. You can study part-time or online, depending on the university. After your academic requirements are complete, you need to do practical legal training, known as PLT. PLT is like professional training that prepares you for real-world legal work. You can do it through 1. A graduate diploma of legal practice, offered by providers like the College of Law or Leo Cusson. 2. A supervised traineeship with a law firm. This usually takes about 6 months full-time. Once you finish your PLT, you're ready to apply for admission as a lawyer. Step 5. You'll need to 1. Submit your application to the Supreme Court of your state or territory. 2. Prove you're a fit and proper person, good character. After you're admitted, you need a practicing certificate to start working as a lawyer. Apply to your local law society or legal services board. Congratulations! Once approved, you're officially a practicing lawyer in Australia. Moving countries and restarting your legal career can feel overwhelming, but thousands of overseas law graduates have done it successfully. Remember to 1. Stay organized with your paperwork. 2. Contact the admissions authority early. 3. Ask questions if you're unsure. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future guides for law students. Subscribe for more tips. Leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your journey to becoming a lawyer in Australia.